Good morning. What a beautiful way to start a day with this sunrise and this unbelievable vista. Nice black cup of coffee, and I'm just doing my best to be mindful and forget about the pending 13 miles of uphill and downhill today. We're so remote and far away from everything here that the only way that this refuge gets any supplies, food, everything that they absolutely need must get helicoptered in. So the helicopter comes twice a month and does about 7-8 trips. So we're gonna watch that now. Okay, so we have more cows here. It's a pretty extreme hike, but this guy, I don't know if he's made it. He's resting right on our path. I guess we're gonna find out, but my goodness. Come on, bovine. He's just chilling apparently. We spoke to the guy up here, the herder. He's telling me something in Italian, but rest assured, ladies and gentlemen, this guy's just chilling, relaxing, taking in the view. And just as we're taking a rest, thinking we're exhausted, we look over at the face here and we find some climbers. These guys are just getting started, and then here, more rock climbers.
We should watch your Instagram stories.
Whenever possible, we take a shortcut. This is the route that everyone else is taking this way, and I'm not actually sure it saves a lot of time, but it's certainly more enjoyable walking up the cascade. There's Victoria now. We made it to the refuge, Elena, about 2 hours up, and now we have about another 5 to go, the next 2 or 3 up also. But what a view. We resume the hike, about 2 hours straight, uphill, and then some downhill. Let's do it, ladies. Let's do it. Oh, you girls are crazy fun, huh? Only an hour and 45 minutes more to go where we're going, staying. Hi. Not sure what's going on here, but this cow's all like roped up. Looks like it's got a big amount of milk. Huge bell. Huge belly. Bladder. Milk. I did ask. So it's not as untoward as might seem. They're trying to fix it. It has a bad foot. I think they're trying to give it a new, you know, I don't know, shoe or something. They winch it up. And now they do whatever they need to do to fix this cow, get it back on the road. Okay, good luck. I think this is a milking station here for, now that we're in Switzerland, Swiss cheese. There's a lineup, they're all waiting. Oh, why'd you throw them down? Careful. Please, Victoria, you be sane. Pretty serious little water runoff. Starts all the way up there, goes all the way down here. Switzerland, baby. I'm hopeful that this is where we're staying. We're not 100% sure. Yeah, it is. Hotel Col de Fenetre. Perfect. And they welcome us with this delicious pie and this fake beer. Looks fantastic. Let's get Swiss life right here. Nice and quiet. No cellular. No Wi-Fi. Life just chill. Stand still. Relax. Enjoy. And here's the little church right by our hotel. And they welcome all. It's just open. All right, so here we are. Little Swiss fondue. Let's do it. It looks delicious. Who's tasting it?
Me.
Careful, careful. All right, so on the no joke plan, we have our first injury. Granted, it's you know, self-caused, so there's not a lot of empathy, but we're gonna fix it nonetheless. Allie here decided it was a good idea. Wait, move your toe. So Allie maintains that she woke up in the middle of the night and this just happened. Upon a little further investigation, we find out that there's a little bit of an issue. She tried to take care of it herself. Not necessarily the wisest cause or the best appropriate action, but I'm gonna fix it. Now, I'm not a doctor. I've never played one on TV, but I was married to one for about 20 some odd years, and here's what I've got. I've got toallitas húmedas con alcohol, otherwise known as alcohol cleansing pad, and moleskin pre-cut. Instructed Allie, she won't let me touch it, to push and clean and push like a mofo is the exact legal, technical, doctoring language. Allie, you're not pushing. Push. Push.
No.
Push.
No.
Push. So Allie's a terrible patient, refuses to let me get anywhere near it with the exception of my camera. And this is her handiwork. We're gonna see how this works for the next 4 days of hiking. I think you should be great, Allie. This looks perfect. Really well done. You should maybe teach a course on this. So I feel good about my purchase here. I had the Leatherman ready to go. We didn't need it, and it hasn't been used this entire trip, but, you know, better prepared, better safe than sorry. Leatherman.